Here we have another example using large on a series of data. Critical thing here is columns. Okay, Brad Williams, Excel primed. Just another look. The functionality is the same. It's just the layout is a little bit different. We want the number 1, number 2, and number 3 highest golf scores. Okay, worst 3. The highest golf score is bad. The low golf score is good. We're using large. If you're looking for the best, you use small. And here's the deal. We're so used to going down, we're going to mix it up. We're going to go across. We're looking for, unit F9. We're looking for the worst score, C5 to G5. C5 to G5. Using the exact same approach as the previous tutorial, but we're picking the number right here. So large is just going to find the highest score, 1. Remember, K-factor? I'm not showing the K-factor here. I'm just pointing 1, 2, 3. That's K. Over here, exact same language as the previous tutorial. It's just a different layout. Brad Williams, Excel primed. Thanks.